Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make jus au sol the Haitian way. First you want to wash the outside very well. You want to wash the skin. Then you want to peel it off. And you can use that on your skin, like whatever is on the inside here. You can put it on your face because it has a lot of antioxidants, which is really good for your skin. So what you want to do, you want to make sure there's some seeds in here. You want to make sure you take out the seeds from this. So after you take it out, you can put it in a blender. So when you take out the skin, the meaty part, that's what you put in the blender. And you add. Okay, now I remove the seeds from the col-sol, and we're just gonna put it in a blender. Then we're gonna add half a cup of sugar. I have organic sugar cane, and a cup of milk. And we're gonna blend everything together. It's gonna be so delicious. Some people like to add lime juice. I like it just like that. Or you can add some vanilla. Again, I like it just that and a little bit of sugar. And I don't like it too watery, and my husband prefers it just like that without having to strain it. But you can always strain it. That way you can get like a smooth texture like this. And that'll be the final stage until I'm done with the rest of it. Let me taste this. This is so good. If you want to add water, you can, but I like it just like that. It's so delicious. Look at this. And creamy. You can even make ice cream with it. You put it in the freezer. So good. Hey guys, this is the final stage of the video on how to make jus au sol the Haitian way. This is really delicious and creamy. So good. You guys have to try this. It's very easy to make. You just add some sugar and